Hello and welcome to day 1 of the 30-day music theory challenge, where we are learning something new about music theory every single day. Now, all you need for today's lesson is a writing utensil and something to write on. We are learning the musical alphabet. The musical alphabet looks like this. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and go back to A. A, B, C, D, E, and I'm going to add a ... here because it continues. Every time you get to G, you start back up from A. So hypothetically, if I asked you the quiz question, write the musical alphabet, this is what I would want to see as an answer to that quiz question. If I have this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, that's a perfect answer because it shows me that you know exactly where to stop with the letters and what would be next. And that's all we need to learn for today's class. We're keeping it super light. But when you come back tomorrow, I'm going to show you how these letters fit into the piano keyboard. So I'm going to draw a rough sketch here. But tomorrow we'll go into more detail as to where these letters fit in the piano, because it's such a great visual aid for teaching us music theory. And by the way, if you prefer to have, that's my drawing of a piano. If you prefer to have a PDF of this, I've linked down below how you can download a PDF of everything that I'm teaching here in the classes. But again, for today, just memorize the musical alphabet and you're done. Alrighty, I'll see you in day 2 where we're learning about the piano keyboard. Ciao!